Hey everyone, I'm at the Roman Amphitheatre in Tarragona and I'm just going to do a wee walking tour of it, so let's check it out. Oh, and you need to pay. I thought this was free, but it's not, so I'm going to go and buy a wee ticket. I always wanted to visit the Colosseum, but I was afraid of flying for a long time, but that's in the bucket list to do, but right now I'm going to do this one. So I don't think it's second best, but I'll do it just now. I was about to pay cash and the guy's like, no. So you need a card and it was €5 to get in, so I'll just show you. There you go, look at the ruins. What horrors must have happened here, the gladiators and all the horrible things that the Romans would do. But let's check it out. I don't think you can actually walk about the seating area there. It's a shame, it would have been nice to walk about there. There's quite a few monuments, there's maybe 4 at least. Maybe 5 or 6, I'm not sure. But let's check it out. So there's lots of wee exhibitions, I think. I'm not going to spend too long here, I'm just going to have a quick look about and head back to Salou. Look at that. Quite an interesting place. There's all the things. So you've got these wee information points, but if I was to go through all of that and try and read it all, it'd make for a very boring video. And I don't think I'm the most interesting of people, but I try my best. And there's lights all around, so I think it would be really nice to visit here at night. I think it's going to be very limited what you can actually walk into.
Hey?
I've got a funny feeling that that's basically all I'm allowed to see. Oh, you must be able to... There's a sign over there, you must be able to get there. Aye, you can get over there. I really don't think there's a hell of a lot to see here, but as a ruin, so you can't really expect much more than that. There's not really much to see. Well, I have to say, I think this is quite disappointing because they're not letting you go to certain bits, you're just totally restricted. It's interesting to walk about and see it, but disappointing. But as a ruin, it's probably quite dangerous to let people in different areas. and to be honest, tourist heavy areas, they do a lot of damage over time. Just give you one last look around. Well folks, that was the Roman Amphitheatre in Tarragona. I have to say, I quite enjoyed this. It's a bit restricted, you can only see so much, but it only cost €5, so I think it's quite worth it. I'm not sure what other monuments you can visit. I'm only here for a wee while, so this is one of the places I wanted to visit, so I've done it and I'm quite happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a wee comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.